Welcome to SmallCap Asia, where Asian investors connect with company CEOs. I'm Singing, your host, and this interview is disseminated on behalf of Pinnacle Silver and Gold. We are very excited to be here in Singapore at the Ignite Investment Summit, where I have the opportunity right now to sit with company leaders for their insights. And right now, I'm speaking with Robert Archer, President and CEO of Pinnacle Silver and Gold. Pinnacle Silver and Gold is a mineral exploration company focused on advancing silver and gold projects, targeting high-grade precious metal opportunities to create value for investors. Pinnacle Silver and Gold trades on the TSXV Venture Exchange under the ticker symbol PINN. All right, so Robert, how's the event so far for you?
It's been great. We had a really productive day yesterday, and met a lot of really well-informed investors, and so it's been great. I'm looking forward to a second day today.
Right, that's good to know. So let's talk a bit about your company.
Sure.
Can you tell us how your company started, the precious metals opportunities that you have identified, and where you are today?
Well, the company itself has been around since 2006, but I took over in 2001, and we basically renamed the company and created a different focus for it. So we picked up this project in Mexico in February of 2025, and that's our main focus now is Mexico.
Okay, sounds good. So what is your vision and your strategy for developing this project further, and what timeline do you have?
The strategy really is, it's more of a business strategy, I guess, in the sense than just pure exploration. Because we want to try to get into production and get to positive cash flow as quickly as possible and take advantage of the higher precious metal prices. So that's really the strategy. And in terms of timeline, right now we're aiming to be in production perhaps by the end of 2027, so fairly quickly.
Okay, that sounds very exciting. And what geological, technical, and infrastructure advantages do you have over your peers that will execute this?
Well, a couple of things, I guess. We're surrounded by 4 operating mines. So we're in a very well-established, well-known mining district in Durango, which is a mining-friendly state in Mexico. And we have very good infrastructure. We have road access, water access, power line just 4.5 kilometers away that will be extending to the property. And there is a 100-ton per day plant already there. Although it hasn't operated for 35 years, we will be refurbishing it. But we'll be starting that early next year, I expect, and moving towards production.
Right, that's good. So moving on to the last question. So why is now the best time to add Pinnacle Silver and Gold to investors' portfolios?
I think now is a great opportunity because we're really just getting started with that sort of timeline in terms of doing some drilling very soon, and then moving forward through resource estimate and mine planning, and then rebuilding the plant and that sort of thing, metallurgical testing. So there will be a lot of very positive news this year. I think there are several opportunities for re-rating in the stock, and particularly as we get towards making formal production decision later this year. We intend to get into an agreement with Metal Trader for production financing. So it'll be non-dilutive financing. And we estimate at this point that we'll need only about $4 to $5 million US to do that. So it's not a lot of money. And if we can do that through an offtake agreement with a Metal Trader, then it's not dilutive to shareholders.
Right. Thank you for your time. That's very insightful. And I wish you all the best in 2026.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.